morning, sir. Myself, Paul Reddy. I am studying in SRAT Engineering College in CSM branch. Today, my topic is origin of energy bands. Let us see what is it. Topics: what are energy bands? Formation of energy band, classification of energy bonds, and valency bond, conduction bond, forbidden energy bond, insulator, conductor, and semiconductors. Let us see energy band. The electric electrons in the same orbit exhibits different energy levels. The grouping of these different energy levels is known as energy band. Formation of energy band. When two isolated charges are brought close to each other, the electrons in the outermost orbit experience and attractive forces from the nearest of neighboring atoms. Nucleus. Classification of energy bands. There are three primary types of bonding: ionic, covalent, and metallic. Definition: an ionic bond is formed when valence electrons are transferred from one atom to another to complete the outer electron shell. Example: a typically ionic bond is NaCl salt. According to valency bond theory, electrons in a molecule occupy atoms' orbits rather than molecular orbits. The overlapping of atoms results in the formation of chemical bonding, and the electrons are localized in the bond region due to overlapping. Now, conduction band. The conduction band is a band of electron orbitals that electrons can bounce up into form the valency band when energies. At the point electrons are in these orbitals, they have enough energy to move freely in the material. These movement electrons make an current flow. Forbidden energy bond. The forbidden energy band is a very wide. Due to this, electrons cannot jump from valence band to conduction band. In insulator, the valence electrons are bound very tightly. The conduction band is completely vacant and completely. Insulators, conductors, and semiconductors. The definition of an insulator: a substance that does not conduct electricity is called a dielectric material. Conductors or electrical conductors is a substance or a material that allows electricity to flow it. Semiconductors are a material which has a conductivity between conductors. Generally, metals and non-conducting conductors are insulators, such as ceramics. Else, there is no forbidden band and valence and conduction band overlap each other. In conduction band, plenty of free electrons are available for the process of electric conduction. The electrons from valency band freely enter into conduction band. The most important point in a conductor is due to the absence of forbidden band. There is no structure to establish volts. The total current in conductor is simply a flow of electrons. Now see from the diagram, there is three types of conductors: insulators, semiconductors, and conductor. In insulators, the band gap is high. In semiconductors, the band gap is less, and conductors there is no band gap. In insulators, we need to provide much more energy to jump an electron from valency band to conduction band. In semiconductors, we need less energy to required to jump from electron from valency band to conduction band. In conductors, no need to apply any external force heavily to jump an electron from valency band to. They can move easily from valency band to conduction band in conductors. Semiconductors. The forbidden band is very small. Germanium and silicon is the best example of semiconductors. In germanium, the forbidden band is of the order of 0.7 electron volts, while in the case of silicon is 1.1 electron volts. Actually, a semiconductor material is one who electrical property like lies between insulator and good conductor at 0 Kelvin. There are no electrons in conduction band, and valency band is completely filled. When a small amount of energy is supplied, the electron can easily jump from valency band to conduction band. Insulators, the forbidden energy band is very wide. Due to this fact, electrons cannot jump from valency band to conduction band. In insulators, the valency electrons are bound very tightly to their parent atom. The valency bond is completely full at 0 kelvins, and the energy gap between valency bond and conduction band is of the order of 10 electron volts. Even in the presence of high electrical field, the electrons do not move from valency band to conduction band. When a very large electron energy is supplied, an electron may be able to jump across the forbidden gap. Increases in the temperature able some electrons to go the conduction band. This explains why certain which are insulators become conductors at high temperature. Thanking, thanking you, sir. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity to present this PPT.